Babe.
Yeah.
Wash out them 2 pants for me. And go up on the road and forward, yeah?
Alright, just left them on the veranda railing.
Ah.
No, sir. Come like that boy, I want to murder him today, no. Juta! Juta!
Yo, last night the party did shocking on youth. Remember which part we turn up for a girl, them a dash out. The whole time me I look for your dog, you look like you're gone for one whole half an hour.
Then you don't notice that the brownie will stand up back of you. You see how they deny that? I'm telling you.
No, you know? No, you know, boy. Because we are wait to see if you ask about it, you know. But wait till one of them day, mom sketch you.
What you talk about? What you talk about moms get catch and where me get catch? You know how long me I do this youth? Yo, me a veteran in this youth. You see me? A long time me a girl this brother. That me I tell you. Oh, me can't get catch brother. How you talk to man? Nah man.
That's why I have to rate you, brother. See the cinemas that turn upside of me? Oh, Kyo me give him chatting, nah moving on, Kyo me give girl around, nah moving. Come like a girl and I'm selfish, you know.
You have to know for chopping pan and girl, you see me? But don't worry yourself man, next time me show you how to deal with it, you see me? Yeah man.
Yo Juta, I wish you man that I come with long thing. Yo Juta, watch out!
What?
Juta, imagine, Juta. Imagine say, give me a pants and for wash them. I search your pants pocket, them a condom is in my pocket, Juta. What you deal with? What you deal with, Juta?
What you talk?
What you deal with?
Where you do? Where you ease yourself, man?
Oh, mama, man, you're free, you know. Watch out, you're free, you know, mama. Yo, you need to talk to your woman, you know.
I want to you. Nothing like, no, go. Watch out. Yo.
Nobody say no, man.
So, mama, man, why are you all free and let me, you know? Yo, Juta, me a cut, you know.
Cut? Oh, you for cut, brother. You can't cut and you make it happen. B, let me explain
What's
this.
that about?
Brother, you give me thing now when I dance, you give me thing falling up.
We are talking about my
This is
youth.
about one thing. You can't do this, you coming out there with nowhere.
You can't cut, brother. Dave, let me explain this to you. My youth, remember now? Thing where you give me for putting in my pocket, my youth. And you end up go left it. Remember good now, man? I remember end up for put it in my pocket.
Yes, mama, I did give me fool, you know. I did give me fool. Mama, sorry, man, you come in here to get in trouble, man, youth. I give me fool, man. I give me fool. How are yourself, mama? For me, man.
Yeah, you see,
give me.
I come cause one bag of excitement this time. I don't like them things they know you. School, man. You know some rate already. Nothing like that no go on. Just school, man. Easy yourself, no, man. Just come go down, man, and go wash it. Just school, man. I know some love you already, man. I know say I don't have shop me come try to come say me can get something for you. What you want?
Man, next time, not take nothing from nobody, and I mean nothing bad give nothing for hold, you see me? Because you can hold people things and put you in a trouble, see? Then give a condom for one and make me in a problem now. Don't do it next time.
So where you want in that shop?
A rum cream. What a rum cream?
Alright, may I get it for you, man. Just go on and go wash up the clothes, man. I'm so coming. Yeah, babe.
Boy, easier. Easier, boy. Tough boy. Tough boy. Easy.
Yeah, man, and someone have to do it, man. You see me? Read. Watch how this look like mom's phone, so.
Boy, mama in a heap, mama drop your phone and not even know.
So how this I say now, please call me. Hold on, I'm call back the number, yeah. Hello, babe.
I mean, I say, I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy, just I hard. I say, no boy, hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man, I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she go and go to school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Whether me say them thief and she thief and money and them things them feel are embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying boy she told she move boy me feel believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say if you're going to follow shit on you, at that. Fear fall, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I'm going to fix it, man. When mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl putting them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl putting, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all going on.
You mean my daughter thief your money? I don't believe that. What not tell me say?
Of course she can't keep my daughter money. So I want to know the money I will go now. Ask her how it go.
Look, a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see, same thing when I tell about my youth. A bit bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more of my money. I come for just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry about your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home. Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along. Me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. I lie them a tell pa me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap it nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, them a tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pitney in my heart, you know.
Yo, sorry. You know, some just check out mommy and her friend them. You know, say Brianna think say Brianna keep him money.
So I want to thief your money. So I want to thief your money and make your money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. You need, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. Enough to do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on.
Cause
Right now, Rasta want him money, and if he down there beat her, you little daughter for him money. Come on, down a yard for the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame family come look like people who can't take money. I don't know, them doing me.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo.
Where there?
Yo. Power the man.
Boy, I know some me a pass. And hear little pretty them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him take him money and take him money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I said to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I said little pretty name. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who hear the little girl attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go a people yard. Cause them lie and them wicked and them a make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride there some different morning. And I never gonna know where
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright then, I'll walk over there.
I'm going to tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing for that. You hear?
You knew not this, you know. I tell her, say, last son, I tell her about it, man. Yo, why she giving me away? Yeah, man.
So then stay, man.
If me have one next girl like that one, me run off and jump over one cliff, you know. You think I joke, man. You think I joke, brother, man.
I say, brother.
Hey, may I say the girl empty me house, you know.
Well,
Done everything in there, you know. Then him turn on, yes, hey, you think of that, you think of that. He empty house and gone with all I sit there. I don't know where he's going with them.
bad woman.
When saying God, hey girl turn around and burn up my clothes, I mean.
Well, I go to worse than you, man. Can me get 2 penny one at a time, you enough for me, no, man. One enough for me. Yeah, man, truth, me tell you.
Yeah, no, where you said 1 out of 2.
You man say pregnant me, man, and me buy everything for him, man. Everything, you know, brother. Pyjama and really night clothes, baby clothes, everything. You see the pit, man? Brother, one of them out there twin enough for me. You believe that, brother?
I want a wicked girl, that, brother. I want the wicked man. Yeah,
when me
man.
look on the tooth, me go hospital, go look in car, me say, happy. When me go, me see him face screen up, like him out to cry. So me say, man, I put them there. He can't answer. Me just walk out, you know, man. Not a word in English, I get it, but watch you know. Better me take them too. Because he go foreign, his mother go foreign, he go foreign and come back. And the two pitney, I want to teach a girl, you know. The two pitney, one of them are accountants and one of them are nurse. Two better, you know. So better me did take them. If me did take them, whether they get nurse money and accountant money too.
Yeah,
You know
man.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. I tell you, so they out there,
What?
brother. They out there, man. They're terrible out there. Yeah, man. They wicked for show, man.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Show, man. Right now, boy, I just need to come more, you know. You know, the rum done, you know.
Not drink look more too, man.
I want to drink that for you right now, brother.
Mm.
I tell you. I want if you girl can give
Man, you must can get a choice from him. See if you can get a choice from him, man. Eh? Yes, man. From man, with the they drink, man, we must can get a choice.
What you mean, man?
You can
Yo,
do me
they
alone,
have
get
beat it
one
from
trust,
man
man.
for show, man. Yo, me call him if you get a trust, but this I done, you know.
How you mean?
We name a chaser, brother.
Call him that, man, we get a choice, man. How
Call
are you?
him, man.
Yeah.
Call him. Sharpie. Sharpie.
Yo, I'm on.
Come in now.
Now come back, give me 2 minutes.
Alright, do your thing, we're there. Yeah, man, I wear answer, man. There, man, I go and hold it, see him here, man. Why I tell us I'm not pretty.
Yes, I want to know.
Go on.
That more here now you call me.
Well, I'm there, I hold it, you know, everything good otherwise.
Yeah, man.
See you look like you cook around there. Eh?
Now cook on with that boy, look who wants.
Man, you're bunny up, you know. But you look like you got fresh up door shopping. Fresh up on win idea, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I thought on win idea. Anyway, you want now, no? You say, I flash I run out. And we have one team want flash from you.
Remember say, oh, me some money, you know.
Yeah, I know shopping, man. You know where you going, man. But you know, don't know where you go, man. They have flash for a man. I run out of money still, you know. Yeah, man, they have flash for a man, man. All the last time you run out of New Orleans sitting there. So I say, well, I take it from you in the evening. God knows still.
When you go give me a little something, you want me.
Yeah, about Friday, you know.
But I tell you say last time, I know. You forgot to. Eh?
Yeah, you know, say sometimes money they not come in or want if you come in, you know. You understand? I just that I think, you know. I want
That's why you start give me at least $100, $200, no. You would have cut down, no? And see you walk on trust, funny, no, carry up higher. We're not going to get that little something, there, no. That's me. I'll get a drink for you one, but not for you and your friend, no. I mean, I will trust you half you, no. I give you one drink for yourself. I mean, I trust for you and your friend, but you can't get trust for you one, no.
You want me, you know, one drink can't share for me and this time I want to get a drink. Can you do that?
So I'm daughter. You know drink the Ghetto.
Because your bill high up, if you got that few bill head and fee, man, and you take long to pay. Remember, say year before last year, I owe me 6,000, and you intend to pay me. Every time I ask you, nothing not go on, and you know, say things slow, you find all type of excuse to give me, and you not even pay all 200, 500, not give me no money, no at all. So you not intend to say nothing, no? Because I not trust you nothing.
What do you think, man? You feel you, man?
You're mad. A police me so called upon you.
No, man. Nobody with that, man. Nobody with that, man.
Nobody with that.
Yeah, but Shappy, you couldn't just come and someone and take one drink for my friend, man, one drink for myself, or buy one drink for myself, man, or trust, yeah, I can't give my friend a drink, man. That alright, man, I not this my friend, man. I not this to you know. So I deal with, nah, this to man, if you can help you, man. Yeah, man, because you don't know who they are from, man, you know, we are drink, I just will run out a little cash, you know. But it will go happen still, man, if I'm tomorrow morning, man. So I deal with, tomorrow morning we can't deal with it.
You don't know this man, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Go up a top road there, some man. Go trust out the whole of my friend, bar, man. You have all 9,000 bill up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This man pile up your bill and can't let you walk away and laugh after you and go give young girl free money. You don't know why? And the year I get 25,000. I look for pay me and go give my girl around here so if go suck off brace.
So Ella, and then some day I go on with man. So can't so I let me sit there. But you go hard man. You go hard brother man. You want to go on with me general? I have a little plan, you know. Yeah, man, we make up a thing to get the afternoon. Yeah, man, we work out a way to get the afternoon, man. But yo, hear me, I say, ask you that go on, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? You don't know what I say. I want to enjoy myself, man. Eh? Why you say enjoy myself now?
Well, you want, you want. Sharpie, get you with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, what you talk about? You know, say that's how we work, man.
So give me money now, no?
Alright, we are come, man. We are come with it, man.
Why me not feel good?
Man, to you now.
Come to you.
You feel sick, man.
Then sit down,
You
man.
drink too much rum.
Yeah, deal with, man. Sit down, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, say, man. One to you.
Man, me not feel good, man.
John, no, eh?
Yeah, man, me sick, man.
So how long now you feel so, man?
Me not feel good, man.
You go to just lean back and easy, man. Lean back and easy, man.
Yeah, man. Pain, man. No feel good. Turn bad, man. Turn bad, man.
Right, man. Take off your hat, man. Take off your hat, man. John, no, eh? Yo, just stay some, man. Stay some, man.
Man, turn bad, man.
John, man. Shop it. Shop it. You don't know how to call it.
Jesus Christ.
Turn it on the counter.
No, me not have no, me didn't really say alcohol, and I didn't even realize.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Call the ambulance, I don't know number for ambulance.
John, no, start. Easy, my brother. Easy, brother. Easy, brother. Hear me, I say, Shappy. Hear me, I say, Shappy. Give me room. Give me room. Give me room, Shappy. Shappy, give me room, Shappy. My future room. Give me room. Give me room. Just give me room, Shappy. Yeah, man. I room more, Shappy. Give me room. Give me room. Yes, Shappy. Yo, you go alright now, man. You go alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Alright. Yeah, man. You go alright, man. Room, come, man. Smell the room, man. Smell the room. Oh, smell the room, man. Smell the room. Smell it. Smell it. Ah, smell it again, man. Smell it again. Ah, smell it again. Smell it again, brother. Smell it again. Ah, yeah, man. Smell it one more time. One more time. Ah. Watch out. Come in, man. Come in here and get a fresh breeze, man. I don't talk about, man.
You don't left the room, man. Yeah, left the room. Carry room, man.
Oh, God. Ella, it's a good thing you chat. You go feet and carry.
Yeah, man.
Happy. You know what I said? I forgot the room. You know what I said? I want it to go through in my boss head. Here. Yeah, man.
Different level, you know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell you, dog, from what day, I try to tell you, say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog,
Yeah, man.
because I don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I have to do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
Yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year, you see what I say?
You see that on the black man? What's me to my
Well, I
face?
don't even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember when I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma! Oh, yeah, who they call? Chin? You rich man. Come in.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No
Oh,
joke.
that is it.
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so. Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma. Okay, come in, man. Put on your toothpaste. If you sit down and talk. You can sit in.
Yes. Mommy sent something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know, I feel access so what?
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in, you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and I welcome you, but as you see, time kind of stiff. And the little work they want me to do, the little egg they not sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer horse. So then this yam every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and staying here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
You know, mommy no money and he send me down here so if we go and look and work for me in time when me done here. So me just come down for my work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And I have the little put them money what they give me. But I have the bills them to pay. The water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill. All of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so I'm not going to treat you bad. No try not to treat you bad. But remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people. Because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give. And me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say, yes, and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you get along.
Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church. So you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me will behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do. Mommy not tell you how me stay. I not come out of the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church and me not left here. Because I know say when they see you alone there, then go there fishing and me gate. And I don't want nobody and me gate there fishing because no fish not over here. So keep them away from me gate because I know they have a shot in what there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you. Yes, remember me warn you from this first day you come.
No,
so
Grandma,
can't say me no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them listening on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But when you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, I don't know how you
don't like that, Grandma. You know if you say that sitting there, Grandma. If you think
because
positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will leave? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna leave. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
Can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get her. Just wait when we pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is still.
Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I see you reach up. I wish what did you say again?
No St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up there, so do.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. I just go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something there. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah!
Well on the ground. Miss Maria call.
Yeah, man, alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Ponce.
Hold on.
You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the actor?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, so.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, we do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
Yeah, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you all look over the place, so you afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish you could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on, your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to a man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. I thought we she bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you already talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him.
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You
Stick
have
up
to know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What are you going to so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, oh, your reason, he not tell you nothing. Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hide them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. Mister, go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what happened to me dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Her mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it, but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try no come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh, what?
Disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about in from me gate. Go along with him. Lord Jesus, me say, the legal list arrive and it start already. It start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down for?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsi. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody knows why.
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you play up and go.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do things and nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there, keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other because when they see you, then go and give you nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breed me to you get, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I made it there Ghetto.
Oh.
You see you're gonna go not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means with the time. She a kill up herself. Oh, me come down here fast. She alright.
So basically we can link up on night time.
Why? So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see how we're ready.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Cha-cha.
see you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get him a call back.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so we all out my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask if you are going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in the town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm come back off the road and you know something. And I'm come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired of talking
not go nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up and cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you somebody come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want to buy something for me. I come go. No, babes, I can't come now. My mother there, so I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. I can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! 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 Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here there. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in here today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there go.
Your mother don't have them go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how to live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. Know. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I don't hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Hey man, she come like a sister to me. Red Chanel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there,
Tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off fire line here. Alright, I wanna be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures and show me how I'm complete them. And I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in the bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you? I just see your mother up the road. She said she'll go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you have to stop by. So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And brother, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can't eat.
I'm cool, girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Yeah, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good, man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much coffee and fine there. You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if I should have stopped by. But I'm not that fat today. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see you and can't see you for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if I should have stopped by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop a seat, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 She'll call me. Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there? But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, go on. I should allow the lawyer. Can't get me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. They come and go on. I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall. Nice man. Key, me have more on there now, so look at juice here.
taste extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun Jones, me have a little cause I'm a me have to take up and wanna sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I wanna sleep.
You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up.
She want to go read. Mwana, bola bola. Mwana, if I'm at the even know I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I warn you. The man they can't get nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that.
Girl, remember me I want it and a workless man that him workless.
Me I come girl here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want believe. Because me I tell you some girl and son, me not go do nothing.
She's not there here.
Lucky for me, come see another mother. Because she done broke up in nose and skirt. And my mother help her because she's not here.
I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and know so she not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them had this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this. But me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have me and for your money by it.
Me a real job.
Money for fix on my TV. Even I know one I gonna get my 30,000 for fix on my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess that TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to you me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's no matter want to talk about this. Me don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm gonna lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish to now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, when I have to fly around and forget back that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, something wanting. How I don't know. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work, and if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing. The best advice I can give after dash it right now. I don't have no money. I give me some money. I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus girl, my mother can't. So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up and lock him up because you're underage. Girl, right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, so me now look a spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see I plan to travel. Yes, I mean. We can't wait for you to come. But you want to be able to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say, my time of the month. You know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you, girl, man? I don't tell her to fiard.
Hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, I can come stay with you.
How are you today? You know you're not me a car, I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much I'm telling left yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I go down our street and I go collect little food for me.
Should I done this, sir?
I want to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright. Hello? Oh, I don't know. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you know. Ain't nothing no. So I wait to look on my phone and I as me I come. How I'm gonna text up on phone. Well on as a matter of fact, give me the phone and make me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man, give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me would even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grandpeople, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for do in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I would have. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Show her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
I see. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I not get you. From me I have sex, me I call you now and say for me not get you, I want him. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you, go on and come back.
don't want one. No. So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, and for me, if you tell her, say me a breed, my mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly and go show, you know.
Mother don't say can't. Girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
You stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it to I go find me.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need have to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, and then nobody said I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, where are they? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I'ma dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just that ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. But just ask me that ask.
But girl, you know you could have never asked that. Anyways, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo! Huh? Sure.
Dada. Ah, John.
Yo, today you tell me my youth. No bother with that now. No bother with that now. Today you tell me
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now, on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day story this, you know. I to them want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now, Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say how my girl are forward in today, you see me, with some fun, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole me about more me a business dog. Watch nothing man, me I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say your woman come at X time. So, you go see your deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming up.
I know, say I'm busy man still now. You see me? I know, say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, I'm not bullshit dog. May I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and... Can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to
Today
right
at the
so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want no talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
This you know, but yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bag. You know some more. Yeah, B. You think you can give me a link in a day? Yeah, man. Give me a link in a day, man. You see me? I want to chat to you about something. See if we can reach him a foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you mean. Well, since I started saying never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now, you're ready to move now.
Come in like mommy, you know. I just stole the mango them so when the mango done out, I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man, but no, don't worry yourself, man, everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. Alright. If you need to know, I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Yes, sis. Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
What can, for what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing where Same thing happened to me, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
You was sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are they? No, some man just run for hell. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, you know. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything is good. Alright. No watch that.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send her the information. Yeah, alright. And then
ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. Tell me what that.
Remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down, go change and come.
Yo, I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. No, say you're breathing. I know how your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you going to do? I know if you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work out, me tell you what to work. Now here what I got, I know if you get in some money, you know. So here what you do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I'm tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach now. Just make sure so you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious, them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that, man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, you know what I'm saying? That piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over the phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's a 50 grand. I look for
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out with this. Everything good.
We try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
We try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then Yeah, I'm over type of way, isn't it?
But differently not be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, like to find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't show it.
So now that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming? I mean.
Yo, Dan! Yo, Dan!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come cross me. Bro. Yo, Dan, you ever go on? You know, some left the money up at Column. In the creases. You ever go on, man? No, don't think say food me a food around this time around, isn't me? And a food me a food, yo. Me just run come did something, so I just touch it off, isn't me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests, you know. Yo, which column you talk about?
You
I
know
let me ask you.
There's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column. I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going, so daddy. I mean, I tell you, I not send upon a wild ghost chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you, say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with, and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? I whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I want stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud nice, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. Hey, see there? I two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head go sometime let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this card. No sir. The money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause you know, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. But nobody not come about me and Chanel there. After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. I say I go ask Chanel. I say I go ask Chanel. I'm just serious saying it.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner for me the money and the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl say my money there? You don't know for my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, let me catch you pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, open up like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they do now.
You see, still to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, I don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share, isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister them seeing yeah, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Saviour and 1G. But Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that?
And action. And action.
Well, pause the record. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop that shut.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Remember tell her she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her for... No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going on. You know, that you must run. It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time me not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. Actually, if you check into AVTV, you don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man, in the east, Yeah, more you see what I go on because them a put in the work and me I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, and me don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, down the same.
Down, sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But no.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see, will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself. You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make them get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like, we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
shut up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Tini, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. And you need help and stay you in a room. Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refused to get help, just going to make it worse.
Boy, turmoil. You know, I feel like to get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so. I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what turmoil be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
I tell her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just ring sitting in yo, you make man a pre some way and hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me figure out? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, my yo. You know, say all the while I do this thing, big man, I'm a pre certain way right now. Because I tell you the truth, you know. You know, say, oh, man, rich, you know, Virgin as a man, you know. I don't have no money, you know. Also, I try, also my thing, you know. Alright, now I make man pre some way, you know. To do all some things.
Yes, sir. I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move. You behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
You don't even know say me
Yo,
the man go
whip.
empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. That's
Yo,
all
whip.
nice, man, yeah. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah, man. Me there, man. Come peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big man.
You have to go on so you know.
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
You
man,
have to
if
go on
you
like
just
that,
go
right,
on where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, I pray.
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say 50 grand no more.
Whip. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long you know they have to spend in a prison same way for this. You have to know a business going on. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
I'll go for your stuff, don't move. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know I said that me there chill dog and he be come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be here say I mash up down so you know dog. Yeah man, you see him be there we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy and police boy they want her for dog. She a mash up the place you know dog. Yeah man. Right now dog, me not think she want but that girl let me place you know dog more. You make your dog there know a thing going on brother. Because God knows, you know, brother, a woman is normal, you know, dog, I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, and me I look at she.
Yeah, I go on idea, you know, in a place, yeah. Yeah, no star. I can go on for me an idea. Some lighter, yeah. Yeah, biscuit sweet there. Yeah? Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah? Yeah? If I come like say what I'm sardine and God, I will see it on so I drop down I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like, man, can chop a food. Yeah, that's it.
I go and Tevin. See, you look like you're happy. We're here about.
You know, there, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sorry, you know, say, I don't really nothing like that. But, don't know, say, I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know. So I feel good, you see me? Yeah, man, I buy a decent fridge, come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cold water, can't drink, and oh, I will tell you. I say I heard,
Anyway,
man. I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
You say hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright, man. So I go on.
How much I say for it again?
$150.
$100 me have, you know.
What? 150 for Joe 7 on my friend. John, why not? So me I deal with. You want me, I know. You really want you take you as a habit and you trust him for early morning, you know, you don't know it ducks not rock yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just say nothing.
Why you tell your boy you come back with money, you come more a fool you take man for? They were sitting on the door all the while, I come short my money, I come talk about you come more. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man, want to tell us be a police don't say no bad boy.
Eh.
Tell the dog. Come like the whole upper station up there, say brother. At first, I see too much police in my place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say bad man. Shot fire? You hear no shot about the place?
You know shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, saying because I'm not going to say make them board and all and pull me, you know. See once me get all the new work right now, you know, I don't need no police, bad boy.
Alright, man. Yo, just go and block Sessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career road, them go and check some man up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the order, brother. You see me? So what you say I go on now? You see they're on a new work.
I want to tell you, say, out when the hotel me get a piece of work there, my brother, and thing I go on good, still in a bad man. You see a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah, man, people them love half a weed up there, especially the white boy, them in the dog. Swear you a piece of food can make right now, is a link more right now, I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes, brother, man. Then yo, you don't know say right now you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah, man, a right place to come, G, man. A right place to come right now you link their foot. Any amount you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind? Yo, how the price and steak? Right now, I want a good pound and a half or so to bring in, brother.
Oh, yeah, say, man, right now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb, same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it? But here, why prayer now, in general? Me have to go make a link, you see me? Towards the pricing of where and to get in the amount where you want, because you know, really their foot so like that, you see me?
Yo,
yeah.
You know, sir, the lemon kush me, the board them at talk about when I hotel the brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get peace, you know. Yeah, man, you can get peace by a little more.
Pound and a half, how much you
want? No, pound and a half. You can run about, pound and a half, I run at about 250,000.
Alright then.
The pound and a half.
Simple much that, man. You can make back that, man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now and make a dog jacket on my foot. You hear?
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By 5 o'clock, man, that's at least.
Yo, cuz.
Just guidance and protection. I right place, G.
Alright, you see how old, man. You know, say I'm a general.
Yo. How you have man? Remember, say, boy, then you out there, you know, man. But I go too fast, brother. One humble, man.
Yo, nah. Look at them gun, man. Look at them cut, man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you say 5 o'clock, you know?
Yeah, man, by 5 o'clock, man. How are you, man?
See how
by 5 o'clock, me J, man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
It's a hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here?
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So, I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around here?
Yeah, man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there, somewhere live. Yeah, man, we just operate in the shop, so, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, so you managed to all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, man, I have a girlfriend, man. And I tell you, say, as I mentioned, girlfriend. I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because I tell her right now, she mean the world to me, my friend. Yeah, man. But you want now, you see shop part not really hard for run. Yeah, that part not really hard for run. We just buy the stock of the buy and put in back of the put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah, man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over this is here, right?
Yeah, man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah, man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most of the times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to dip on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, I'm sorry, I feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, I like a company.
Yeah, man, you don't know saying as man little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her, you know, I text her, you know. And so we just link one other same way. You understand? Yeah, man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin, my name, man, Kevin. You can just call me Kev. Anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it look like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me try to get, you know, say me try to understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And was that tell a string of it, or you want?
Alright, I tell you, Tina, you see them was right? Jano, Tina, I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend, and I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear, but in case a girlfriend forget what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me have to get the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me have to get the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. That's I want to let me left you over yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I forgot for you. Oh, yeah, something left it. To that. Well, but that's one time I'm gonna call her, man. I'm gonna have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me then a little time, I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now and me look over the whole place and me never see it. So me just say me I take time and walk come over here, come look where I go on if over here me left it. So when me see them, me call them, and that's why me say me have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah man, me wish woman. Nah be man, no bother with them thing man. No bother with them thing man. Which woman you talk about man? I tell you say over the shop me walk go. Woman over there. Say me there woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness man. No bother with them thing man. And then sit down me can't deal with it, you know. Yeah. Nah man, no bother with them thing man. You see why where you push off for me now. Over foolishness. I mean I tell you say I left the phone over here there. Yo, you want now. No bother with them thing man. A joke thing at the pan, you know, man. Cause right now my head kinda hard for a morning to, you know, you come with them advice for me, you know. A different thing at the pan. Me not really the pan in vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up for me. So all them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here know me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must have to tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel as if I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Have you say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from whatever I just said a while ago. I just one drink now kill you.
Yeah. You can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some more tequila.
So you say I chase it with an mess?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Boy, may I tell you something, my friend? Trust me, I'm glad you kind of come down on a level, you know. Because, boy, I told you come in for me not too long. I swear, say, I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wondered how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious, say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then what I tell you to stay alive, because I swear to God, that's literally not me.
Yeah, but I'm happy to know, say, you know, you change up the vibe and things, because right now, I tell you the truth, I have one woman there and she ain't not too good, so I can't so we take her no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know, best to me, but you see when it comes down to the woman part, I cheap out. Yes, I'm not really run them joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say you go on, Miss Tina. Boy, you go hard, man. You can't make you show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot to man. Boy, you go hard, man. You cannot take a shot. can't cut your door, you know. But as I mentioned, high school. But ever tell you say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me. As I was saying,
Alright, sorry.
exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know this is going from a long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today, everybody feels that we're seeing, like nobody at all. I mean, like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah man, watch out now, I give you all our next instance, you know. You know what I said? I go to school, you know, here what we do. Save up the lunch money, you know. And decide, say, you know, so we not go to school today. So here we do, we buy then time the Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi, though. Yeah man, I tell you, so what? I turn around a yard back, you know, and say, I drinking for the day, you know. Half day we do around there, you know, every man junk, you know. We live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle or my ride come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad out me a cuss. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. And I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licked until I wake. From that day I never junk again. God no. But we got to it, man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when I have fun. But we can't share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one chaser this time.
Are you yourself on the rocks? So, right, like it I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. What you say? What kind of cheese you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna lie with steel. Could you want a drink? How old someone can go wash home? No, sir.
You know, you want now, you know, someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright?
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah?
So,
I feel relieved.
I saw your brother long.
Yeah,
you know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink your one juice, man. I know you.
That tastes different. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's no. I'm starting to eat it. I don't want me drinking ice on my feet. I want to feel someone in my feet weak and free. Yo, no, Girl, how you put in a drink, give me? Eh? How you put? Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, when me there now. So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh? You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
Stop
it.
Chat. Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, let me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. That's supposed to can't hold you half an hour. Tie you up. No.
Which part? Where am I there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
How am I there, you know, my girl? My girl, you don't know who you are dealing with, you know? You don't know who you are dealing with, you know? Yo, no matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that me trying to fire me there from the road, you know? You better you take off all them off of me right now, you know? Go on about my business, you know? Because right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know? Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know?
Then, brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you're guan. Can't come like something wrong with you. You can't see. You're blind. Look why I'm fright for. You know what man would I want me right now? And you are going like an idiot. From a come here, you're going like an idiot like you don't want nobody. But I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me tell a person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say me not know one. Eh? But if I'm police, they must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, yeah, what you do. Just tell me what I go and tell me what me do, make me do it. If I'm money you want, girl, just tell me you want me give you no man.
Bro, you're not understand. No money at all. Like, you know, this is a word there. What should I say? Help me. Brother, like you don't understand. I you me want. But everything I got alright. You see, if I never did a play stubborn, in the first place, more than having in our rooms. All of this is because I did a play stubborn. But don't worry. I don't have nothing for about. But most of all, you soon understand what will happen when all of this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, so I tell you from you coming in the shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah, man, God knows I don't trust you from the first time you come in the shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. You hear? I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to a doctor. You say something to you.
Shut up!
What you mean for shut up?
What you say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You don't hear me say shut up. But one go to doctor. One go to doctor where? Look how me a treat a good and you come talk about one go to doctor. And then say when me get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and me have to deal with it or come deal with the rest.
That's right. I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me place. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog got, man? One left in there. The door open. Most of the girl him hungry. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know, Gone up on the road, because you know, saying going to make stock, you understand? So, he now come back about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know, says a little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, he never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to see the shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, I now come back about 2 to 3 hours. You just have to him to lock up the place, you understand?
Alright, then make a dog know some me circling, yeah?
Alright, we make you know what I'm going.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come to my shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see I come from my shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come from my shop today. I see you earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. And if you're circling back, I'm going out there and the shop locked. I say, I want one kitty up there and I know, she tell me say I'm not dead it. And she lock up the place. And then if I told me dress her or me look still, you see me, but when I trust her style, I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have a link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this still.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know some just come up and shop on the shop lock, brother. Which part you there? Up in your yard.
I phone on the pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.